Great, okay, well you can sit down. I think that's it, or maybe still have some time. Okay, I still have some time, so I'm gonna continue talking. If you don't understand my English at some point, if I'm speaking too fast, if I'm using complicated words, please just raise your hand and tell me. Like, it's not a problem. And then if you have questions, if you don't understand something I say, or if you want to ask anything, just feel free to ask. I'm here for you, I'm not here for myself, I'm really here for you and to talk with you and share with you. And then, when I ask you questions, then please do answer. Please raise your hand and try. There is no wrong, there is no right. What's important is trying. Even the most impressive people in the world, at first when they started learning, well, they make failures. Okay, and then the rest is semester 5? Okay, great. So, especially semester 1, if you have a problem understanding what I say, just tell me, can you speak slower, can you articulate more, or whatever, and I will do it with pleasure. Because if I speak and you don't understand, there is no point for me being here. Okay, so Anis.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Anissa Hasbi. You can call me Anis. It's easier for you to talk with me because I'm Indonesian, native Indonesian. And it's happy to have you. You have me here, and I met you. Today I will make a class with Ariani. We need to talk a bunch of talkings. And you need no hesitation to ask. And you need also to, talking something that you like. If you don't understand it, raise your hands. And it's just Anis, I don't get you, or something. And today, like Ariana said, repeatedly, we are here for you. So we hope in this occasion you will use it very well. Because we're here in Los Mawe, so I'm definitely Los Mawe kid. And what I want to tell you is, every single person can dream. So going to London is something that I've been dreaming of whole of my life. And how to make it, I don't know, really. In your age, I don't know how to make a path to go to London. Really, what? London is so far away. It's 13 hours by flight, yeah? 13 hours by flight. 22? Kidding me? 22 hours by flight. You're gonna see less than 2 hours before the day flight. And it's a very, very distasteful place that you need to leave your dads and your dad and your mom here and your sister. And it's quite hard for you to make it, but dreams go on.